So ladies and gentlemen, this is breakfast. So in the breakfast we have 1 whole banana, 1 cup of avocado, 1 cup of mango, 1 cup of peaches, and about 1 cup of kale that is frozen. So make sure you take the kale and you freeze it. Okay? So this is breakfast. So we got a couple more things to add. Now we're gonna add coconut water. Alright, coconut water. Good for hydration. And we'll go up to about we'll go about two servings right there. Then we're gonna add some almond milk to that. Silk almond milk. Y'all start drinking those almonds out there. Alright, they want to drink that cow milk. Ain't nothing wrong with it, but this is a little bit better for you, okay? Put it right up there, about that 5. And then last but not least, the secret is the Greek yogurt. So get that good Greek yogurt. Okinois, okay? Or Chobani, alright? Let's add that in there. And probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Alright, about 2 to 3. Got those enzymes and all that stuff in there. Alright, there it is. Mix it up. Yeah. Look at that, y'all. Ain't that a pretty green? Look at that. Look at all those nutrients in there your body needs to help repair itself. There you go. Bottoms up.